Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to blur the background in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Make sure you will select your clip and go in the color page. Over here we need to add one more node. Right click on our node and then add node serial. Make sure that it's selected and go in the window and you need to select the curve tool. With the curve tool, we need to carefully make a path around our subject. Right now, for purpose of this video, I will do rough sketch, but you can take your time and do a precise path. Let's make it faster. And always close the path. Now navigate to the tracker and press forward. In a couple of seconds it will be done. Next thing that we need to do is right click on our existing node, add node, and this time we're gonna add outside. With the third node selected, go to effect and drag the Gaussian blur. Now we can adjust, but the default I think it's pretty good. So let's review it. And that's how you blur the background on a video in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.